Where is Prajwal Revanna? That's the million-dollar question. SIT perhaps does not have clues, or maybe does not want to reveal anything. Deepak, what are you picking up? There is talk of him surrendering, coming back.
Well, that's the million-dollar question right now, Pranesh, that where is the son? Even as the father right now is facing the law, has been picked up by the police. The whereabouts of the son still unknown, because in the latest, the SIT has urged the CBI to put out a blue collar notice. They haven't yet done it, but that would mean that the SIT probably has no clarity as to where he is. There was speculation that he was in Germany. After that, there is also right now some talks that he's moved across the European Union. Now, we should understand that, of course, with a Schengen visa that he would have, for him, it's, of course, easier to move across all the European countries, and some talks of him even reaching near Budapest in Hungary. So right now, what a blue corner notice would essentially do is try and help. Interpol would really alert, the officials, the CBI, and CBI in turn would do it, that they would in fact update the SIT about where exactly he is. So blue corner notice essentially will only give them information about his whereabouts. Now, whether he's going to appear, in the next few hours or the next few days, that time will tell, because as far as his legal team is concerned, they had put out a piece of information through Prajwal, of course, that it is going to take him 7 days to appear. That would mean it's only going to be after the 7th of May. Why 7th of May again is important is because of the third phase of elections. 14 constituencies in the state of Karnataka as well vote. There is, of course, a huge bearing that this case has on the political landscape in Karnataka. That's also something to note here. Meanwhile, the SIT parallelly continues to take in multiple statements from women who could be victims of sexual abuse and exploitation. They've been approaching multiple of them. We've already had 2 women who've come out and spoken that they have been raped as well, and this is the second FIR against Mr. Prajwal Revanna, and that's where the bigger concern is. As far as his father is concerned, the sections that he faces, as far as the legal sections, are much lesser in nature in terms of how grievous the crime is when you compare it to what Mr. Prajwal Revanna faces. That is sections of rape. So for him, of course, at this point in time, as soon as he lands anywhere in the country, he is probably going to be immediately picked up and taken into custody. And as of now, his legal team hasn't really approached any of the courts here in Karnataka seeking any sort of anticipatory or interim bail.
Okay, just stay with us, Neha and Deepak. The Karnataka Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, has responded now that HD Revanna has been placed under arrest. This is what the Chief Minister said.
ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವರನ್ನ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ SIT ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವರನ್ನ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ.
ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂತ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೈಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲಿಲ್ಲ, ವಜಾ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾ ಇನ್ನ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಸರ್, ಮಾಜಿ ಸಚಿವ CS ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವರು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಜಿ MLA ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ್ ಮಾಜಿ MLA, ಮೇಲ್ಕೋಟೆ ವಿಧಾನಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ.
ಮೇಲುಕೋಟೆ
ಅವರು ಲಾಯರ,
JDS
ಲಾಯರ್ ಅವರು
ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಜಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
For plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स. टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.